Every day, thousands of old mattresses in the United States are replaced and discarded. While many end up as solid waste in landfills, others are abandoned and illegally dumped in alleys or roadways. But thanks to Mattress Recycling Council's Bye Bye Mattress program, fewer of them are going into landfills or causing eyesores, and mattress recycling is beginning to make a big difference. Now there are hundreds of communities serving as free collection sites, and participation from mattress retailers, hospitals, hotels, and universities continues to grow. Once mattresses arrive at the recycling facilities, workers cut them open and break them down into their basic components. Inside are various layers of fibers, foam, and steel that can be used in hundreds of new products. The separated cotton and other fibers can be transformed into insulation or industrial equipment filters. Foam is baled and compressed. It's commonly used in carpet padding or other cushioning applications. The inner springs are extracted and recycled as metal scrap, where it is melted and used to make new appliances, building materials, and other steel products. Finally, the wooden frame is all that remains. Typically, it is chipped and can be used as animal bedding, garden mulch, and biomass fuel. Mattress recycling through Bye Bye Mattress. It's a great way for everyone, cities, industries, and individuals, to be involved with recycling. For more information on how and where to recycle your old mattresses, visit buyebuymattress.com.